Howdy neighbor, Rob here to talk to you today about home warranties. First-time homeowners may be in for a shock when their water heater breaks on a cold winter morning or their dishwasher starts to leak all over the new hardwood floors in the kitchen. The instinctive call to the landlord won't work this time around. Welcome to the joys of home ownership. So when this happens, what do? Many homeowners aren't equipped to perform even small repairs, particularly when they come at inopportune times. For some, a handy family member or nearby friend could do the trick. Or a new home buyer could know a plumber or an electrician, but they likely won't have a lot of time to get bids and figure out the cause of the problem, much less get it repaired. What's the next best thing to a landlord for a new homeowner? A home warranty. We'll look at what that is, what it does and does not do, and things to be aware of if you're considering purchasing one in this week's edition of Golden Rules. But first, if this is your first time on the channel, welcome. Do me a favor and throw me a like below or subscribe. It really helps the channel and you'll be notified when I post new real estate related content. You can also see past episodes on my website, goldenrulehomes.com. Now, let's get to it. A home warranty, also known as a residential service contract, is an agreement that offers discounted repair and replacement services for applicable household appliances and systems like plumbing, electrical, HVAC, oven, and stove. For those with pools, hot tubs, and other systems that may not apply to every home, like septic tanks, you can include add-on coverage for an extra amount. For a monthly or annual cost, a home warranty will repair or replace appliances that are malfunctioning or have broken down due to normal wear and tear. You can purchase contracts that last anywhere from 1 to 3 years in the initial term, and you can usually renew them on an annual basis. It's important to note that a residential service contract is not home insurance and does not provide the same coverage as homeowners insurance. Home insurance protects your home from damage due to accidents and natural disasters, but not normal wear and tear. That's where a residential service contract can be of use. There are some benefits to obtaining a residential service contract for both the seller and the buyer. A residential service contract may provide a seller with a certain level of protection if systems break down after the home purchase and avoid many post-sale complications. From the buyer perspective, it can provide peace of mind, especially in that first year after purchasing a home when financial reserves are often at their lowest and the failure of a mechanical system could be particularly ill-timed. Sometimes home warranties are included in closing costs, but it varies from sale to sale. Often, buyers will negotiate for the seller to pay for a residential service contract as a line item in the closing statement, or as part of a larger ask for closing costs. If that's the case, the sellers are only responsible for these costs if they agree to these terms. The price ranges from $500 to $1,100 or more in Texas, and the amount provided by the seller is negotiable between the two parties. It's worth noting that if the seller already has an existing home warranty, they can transfer it to the buyer. And even if you're not in the middle of a real estate transaction, you can purchase a residential service contract in the middle of your home ownership. Now, if you have a claim, the typical process will look something like this. First, when an appliance or system breaks down, verify that the residential service contract actually covers the repair. You can save yourself a bunch of frustration by making sure that the repair is covered under the terms and conditions detailed in the service contract. Next, contact your warranty company. There are usually multiple avenues to do this, including phone, email, web portal, or app. You'll need to know or have your policy number, so make sure you keep it in a place where you can easily find it for when emergencies occur. Once you contact the warranty company, it may take a day or two for them to review your claim. After the claim is approved, an appointment with the service technician will be scheduled. The warranty company may assign one to you, or they may provide you with a network from which to choose so you can schedule it yourself. At the time of the service visit, you'll need to pay the dispatch fee in order for the technician to diagnose or repair any problems. Dispatch fees are usually around $75 to $125 and will be disclosed in the contract when you purchase one. The technician will assess the issue and determine if it falls under your home warranty coverage. If it's covered, they'll proceed with the necessary repairs or replacements. If the issue isn't covered, they'll explain why and provide an estimate for the costs. After the repairs or replacement, inspect the work to ensure the issue has been resolved to your satisfaction. Most reputable home warranty providers conduct follow-up surveys to ensure service quality. It's important to maintain communication with both the service technician and your home warranty provider throughout the process. Each home warranty provider may have a specific claim process, so always refer to their guidelines. Additionally, being aware of common challenges like coverage limitations, service delays, and claim denials can help you navigate the process more effectively. Regular maintenance of your home systems and appliances can also improve your chances of a successful claim. A home warranty can be a good option to protect your home and potentially minimize large expenditures at inopportune times. However, if you purchased a brand new home, virtually all your structural and mechanical systems are covered by the builder for the first couple of years, and manufacturer warranties for the major mechanical components last longer than that. So you're unlikely to see any benefit from a residential service contract while those are in place. To determine the type of plan that you need, take stock of your appliances and systems and focus on getting a warranty for older items, since newer items don't necessarily need to be under warranty right away. One major provision in a residential service contract is that it will not cover items that have not been properly maintained. What is considered proper maintenance can be a significant gray area and is the source of many disagreements between home warranty companies and warranty holders. In a worst-case scenario, unscrupulous warranty companies may use the improper maintenance clause as an excuse to deny valid claims. Another possible scenario could be that the homeowner and the contractor who makes the house call may simply disagree over what constitutes proper maintenance. Another common problem is that when a homeowner purchases a used home, it might come with a 10-year-old water heater that the previous owner did not maintain. At that point, no matter how well the new homeowner tries to care for the water heater going forward, the previous neglect can't be corrected and any damage can't be undone. In addition, residential service contracts have numerous exclusions, as well as dollar amounts per repair and per year. Residential service contracts aren't expensive compared to the cost of repairing or replacing most of a home's important components, and that's one of its major selling points. However, there may be many years when nothing at all breaks down or wears out in the home. In these years, the homeowner gets nothing except peace of mind in exchange for the premium. If that money had been put into an emergency fund, it would have earned some interest at least. In addition, a homeowner who tries to use the warranty and has the claim denied will probably feel like the money spent on the premium and the service call fee were wasted. Residential service contracts can eliminate the need to source a contractor when something breaks. However, they can also eliminate the freedom to choose your own expert if you want the contract to pay for the repair or replacement. If you don't like the contractor or the work that's done, you might be stuck, although some contracts do allow for a homeowner to take a cash settlement and manage the repair on their own. Also, the homeowner may have little or no say in the model or brand of a replacement component, although the service contract should provide for an item of similar or equivalent quality. Finally, the whole process may be more complicated when a third party, specifically the home warranty company, is involved than if a homeowner is simply dealing directly with a contractor. It's also important to emphasize that residential service contracts will only go into effect to repair or replace systems that are malfunctioning or have broken down due to normal wear and tear. A residential service contract will not honor a request to repair something that was discovered as not functioning at the time of inspection when you're in the home purchase process. If you have a system fail shortly after purchasing a home, the warranty company will likely require that you provide a copy of the inspection report to ensure that the system was operating normally at the time of inspection. I hope that this information serves as an even-handed presentation of the benefits and potential drawbacks of residential contracts. Some companies have a better reputation than others, so if you're thinking about purchasing a home warranty, simply reach out to me at the contact information below, and I'll be happy to provide you with a few of my favorites. And if you're in the middle of a dispute with a warranty company and you need an unbiased opinion as to whether something should be covered or not, you can ask me for that as well. Thanks for listening to these golden rules, and I'll see you next time.